Umdu Shabalala injured. And then attack left wing Asanele Velepai, who I think is the best attacker Kaizer Chiefs. And uzayibona more this season Londo if I'm convinced. On the right wing, Mfundo Vilakazi, who's going to offer something different. Kaizer Chiefs, Ngapaya Velepai is all about beating players like quick, enterprising, B-type players one-on-one. And then Ngapaya Vilakazi is going to offer something different, which is very important. The balance, you can't really have like two wingers who are exactly the same. Vilakazi and less pace and beating players one-on-one. What he does is better score goals the left foot yakhe. At the same time, umchita unayo ne technique yokhela ibhola afinde uIgodaro enhloko. Machita inkosi ngobuyela ki-channel igama lami nguseko uFootball SA lona bafethu. Sekusele kancane ibhethwe Premiership season ka-26-27 iqale Machita. Kaizer Chiefs vandag ngithetha nge-starting lineup ucoach Fernando da Cruz azasibopha ki-match i-final friendly game Kaizer Chiefs before i-league iqale next weekend on the 1st of August eMbombela Stadium against i-newcomers iKruger United ngo-8:15 Saturday ebusuku. But namhlanje sithetha nge-final friendly game against iZimbabwean anothi zi-Giants bafethu ningathi zi-new kids on the block ezinemali bafethu i-Manchester City yaseZimbabwe. Scotland FC ownwa rich owner uScott Mapunywana. They are the reigning Zimbabwean champions. They won the league last season. They are preparing for a CAF Champions League and they're on course to win another title in Zimbabwe. Currently they are leading the table with 7 points. They've already played 24 games. They are not in preseason. It's going to be a big ask for Kaizer Chiefs. The Zimbabwean Kasalaga Premier League runs from March until November. Unlike many other calendars, whose calendars run from August until May. And this is a high-scoring team. It's a well-drilled team. Got Norman Mapeza, a top coach. His teams are all about high fitness, endless running, and tactical discipline. In the 24 league games this season, they've scored 39 goals and conceded only 8 goals. And the current league form is what? Only 1 loss in 5 games. 3 wins, 1 draw, and 1 defeat. In those 5 games, Amachita only conceded 2 goals while scoring 12 goals in those 5 games. It's going to be a big ask for Kaizer Chiefs. It's going to be a big ask of the Kaizer Chiefs, who have only played 3 games so far in preseason. 2 draws and a defeat. The first game was a 1-1 draw against the Scottish Giants, Rangers FC. The second one was a 1-1 draw with a team as Saudi Arabia, Al Khawlood, 1-1. And the final game against the La Liga side, the Alche, and Apo Kaizer Chiefs, they lose 2-1. Again, this game against Scotland FC, so Royal Bafokeng Sports Palace, the Toyota Cup, kick off at 3 p.m. is going to ask big questions of the Kaizer Chiefs. While if friendlies are all about a performance and less about a result, the Kaizer Chiefs need to get a result, probably need to get a result because the fan base, I call that settled. The fan base, there's pressure on the coaching and management because the transfer window was a bit disappointing for Kaizer Chiefs. And also, sections of the fan base do not believe in coach Fernando da Cruz. So if the Kaizer Chiefs and Fernando da Cruz win a match, it's going to speak high volumes. It's going to silence many doubters ahead of the first game at Betway Premiership next weekend. But if Kaizer Chiefs fail to win this game, which is possible, it's going to turn up a pressure on coach Fernando da Cruz plus the management to Kaizer Motaung Jr., specifically sporting director. Apha kule video siyajonga coach Fernando da Cruz uzobopha i-lineup enjani Machita. Ngizawungena straight ki-lineup bafethu then I'll after the thinking behind the selection. Ipalini bafethu i-gloves zezika-Brandon Peterson. Right back Dylan Solomons. Central defense Thabo Moloisane no-Iniacho Miguel. Left back Bradley Cross. Central uxolo ngophazamisa before siqhubekeke ndicela i-support nishaye u-like okanye u-subscribe. Nenye into sicela ningaskiphi i-ads xa zingena apha ke-screen. As i-content creators iyanceda kakhulu loo nto if aniskiphi i-ads. Inkosi bafethu. Central midfield Emqeni Sibongiseni Mthethwa noLebohang Mabo. Attacking midfielder number 10 Kusingiphile Ngcobo. Left wing Asanele Velepai. Right wing Mfundo Vilakazi. Center forward Etiosa Igodaro. So the thinking behind the lineup is new decisions bafethu apha based on injuries. Number 1 attacking midfield. Sayazi attacking midfield like Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1 choice kumduduze Shabalala. But umdu because ubuya ki-injury ebejima qha ke preseason kangadlala games. I-players ezifana noKhanyisa Mayo zi-injured. And then based on i-performances esizibonileyo eSpain bafethu, Dylan Solomons looked more sharper and hungrier than Thabiso Monyane. But that competition bafethu, I think it's the best one Kaizer Chiefs kuzo zonke i-positions bafethu. Umonyane no Dylan Solomons, they're always performing at high levels, so there's very little difference between those two bafethu. And that is what Kaizer Chiefs want in every position bafethu. And then in central defense bafethu, as most Kaizer Chiefs fans do not really believe, they don't feel abamthandi uNyacho Miguel, but the coaches value him umjita because of the experience yakhe and the leadership yakhe. The coaches are able to see the value in him beyond as mistakes because as last season. And then Kevin Msimango is still working his way back into full fitness umjita. Otherwise, he's the most physical center back Kaizer Chiefs. It's going to be most important skakhulu CAF Confederation Cup umjita. Une physique, une height, but not so quick, and the passing yakhe, especially long balls zakhe into a final third umjita needs to improve. Talking about that, bafethu, Thabo Molisane is going to start. Uyakwazi udrive nebhola out of defense. Uyakwazi ustarta i-play adrive nebhola out of defense umjita. Even if i-passing lanes ivaliwe, uyakwazi uthatha ibhola and travel nayo into midfield. Nayo confidence, the technical ability, and is also quick. And he can hit a short, medium, or long pass very well. And Usenela Hanga, a new signing to prove himself, so he's going to start alongside Iñiacho Miguel. And then when it comes to central defenders, bafethu, in partnership, we always have one defender, the one that commits, that goes into challenges, bafethu, and then the other one is almost like a backup. If Thabo Molisane gets beaten, Iñiacho Miguel is the one that covers. And then he left back, of course, bafethu, Opaseka Marco, even though he was not convincing in his first season Kaizer Chiefs, he suffered another arm injury. Funny that the same thing happened to him last season, bafethu, and then the same thing happened, another arm injury. Out umjita, then Nkanyiso Shinga naye injury and also out of favor, did not convince in his first season Kaizer Chiefs. Kabelo Ngwesa is going to be the reserve, while Bradley Cross uzoqala bafethu fresh from the World Cup. He should be fit and hungry umjita, because all he was doing in World Cup, he was training umjita. Cross, he left back is solid bafethu. The one area that he needs to improve, he needs to be more attacking. He needs to drive with the ball into midfield umjita, and also go into the final third, udlale combinations, ne passes, ne crosses bafethu. Be more of an attacking left back bafethu. That is the area he needs to improve on. Otherwise, a very good player bafethu, and he is capable of that bafethu. Wayibonisa lona golden arrows, but he just needs to be more consistent and confident in doing that. And then a center bafethu, surprisingly, I think Usibongiseni Mthethwa was going to start bafethu. I think umjita has an opportunity to impress, and also Scotland FC, a highly fit and high running club. So I think Mthethwa uzoqala uprotect defense pha bafethu. Befuna uqala uRiff Ross lapha number 6 bafethu, because they're excited about le ndaba yakhe umjita. Kuthiwa number 6 omtsha Kaizer Chiefs ngoku. Uconvertiwe uRoss lapha, but I think ucoach Fernando da Cruz uzoqala safe, aqale ngomthetho phana. Noba uhleli qha wabreaka nje i-play umjita, because Kaizer Chiefs apha, they're going to try not to lose this game, because they're playing against a team that has played 24 games this season. They are scoring a lot of goals, so Kaizer Chiefs need to protect. That defense bafethu. Play not to lose bafethu. And then Umabo in the number 8 position. Ngosengiphile Ngcobo in the number 10 position, because as I said, Umdu Shabalala injured. And then attack left wing, Asanele Velepai, who I think is the best attacker Kaizer Chiefs, and uzayibona more this season Londo if I got convinced. On the right wing, Mfundo Vilakazi, who's going to offer something different. Kaizer Chiefs, Ngapaya Velepai is all about beating players, like quick, enterprising, beat players one-on-one. And then Ngapaya Vilakazi is going to offer something different, which is very important. The balance, you can't really have like two wingers who are exactly the same. Vilakazi and less pace and beating players one-on-one. What he does is, we are better, score goals, your left foot yakhe. At the same time, umjita unayo ne technique, yokhela ibhola, find Ighodaro and Xhoko. Ighodaro, of course, is going to be the center forward. He's better in Yaweni compared to Silva. He can receive and turn better than Silva. And he's also a good finisher bafethu. So nansi bafethu lineup Kaizer Chiefs, Fernando da Cruz, I believe uzayibopha amajita. Ngicanga no bafethu zithenze le lineup, masingole comments bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs versus Scotland FC. Royal Bafokeng Toyota Cup ngomso ngo3 o'clock. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu zange yawina match Toyota Cup. This is the 3rd edition. Lokuqala ngo2024 against iTanzanian Giants, Young Africans. Kaizer Chiefs yahlazwa ngo4-0. Then last year dlala neGhanaian Giants Asante Kotoko. Kaizer Chiefs yaluza ki-penalty after imatch ephele 0-0. So Kaizer Chiefs ayikawini le Toyota Cup, and then ngomso bazodlala one of the toughest teams bazodlala nazo kule season bafethu. So yeah, sobona. Cela ngalibala support channel bafethu, ngo like no subscribe. Watch bafethu.